Welcome back. In this video, we're going to have another look at a way that you can get crypto rewards for free. This time, we're going to be installing and using the Brave browser. Now, you can get this from brave.com. And if you come to brave.com/brave-rewards/, you can see more information about what the Brave browser will offer you by way of rewards. Basically, Brave is a Chromium-based web browser. It pretty much looks and feels and works the same as Chrome. It even supports all the Chrome extensions. Now, it is focused on privacy and protecting your data and blocking ads, but more importantly for us, there's a built-in ad system that rewards you with their own crypto token called BAT, or Basic Attention Token, for watching those ads. And if you prefer, you can always switch off the ads entirely if that's what you want. Now, if we pop over to CoinMarketCap, you can see the BAT token here. If we scroll down, you can see currently it's down a bit, but then everything's down a bit at the moment. I think the value is all the way down to under 40 cents. Or if we go across to DEX Tools, again, you can search for the BAT token and you can add it to your favorites by clicking on the little star here, and you can keep track of it in there. And as you can see, yes, it's 38 cents currently. And as you can see, it's on the Ethereum blockchain. And if you want to get the contract address, it's here. Just click on the copy address again to make sure you've got the right address for this if you want to buy some BAT. But obviously what we're going to try and do is earn it for free using the Brave browser reward system instead. So now I'm going to pause the video for a moment or two while I download the Brave browser software and install it on my computer. Obviously you'll need to do the same thing from brave.com on whichever device you're going to use it on. Once you've got the Brave browser installed, you'll end up on this page, and you can skip the welcome tour if you want to, or you can just run through the different pages for the basic setup. This does allow you to import your bookmarks and settings from another browser. If I click on this, you'll see that I've actually got 4 other browsers installed and running. I do a lot with different browsers to keep things separate, so I'm not actually going to import anything, but you can import your settings from one of your other browsers if you want to. Let's skip this and click on next. And this page, it gives you a little tip about the browser shield, or the Brave shield here, which you can switch on and off by clicking on it, and it'll give you more information about the privacy features in that. What I am going to do is right click on settings and open that in a new tab. Then I'll simply click on done to finish that off. So now we have Brave browser up and running on a computer. Now I opened up the settings page in a separate tab so that you can actually see at the moment, if we go to Brave rewards, we can't switch the Brave rewards on. They're disabled because first of all, we do need to go through this process to start using the rewards. So we start off by clicking here, start using rewards, and it will take us through the process of getting set up. And it can take a moment or two to come up, but you should end up on this browser pop-up. You can skip the introduction if you want, but if you just run through these and read a little bit about what Brave ad system is about, the penultimate one is where you can decide how many ads you want to see per hour and whether you want to donate any of your earnings to the creators of the Brave browser and the Brave wallet. I'm going to leave it at 5 and 0, click on continue, and then click on done. And once it's completed, you'll end up with this overall summary of the rewards that you've earned so far. Now there is one more step that I highly recommend that you take, which is to get your wallet verified. Okay, at the moment it's showing as unverified. If I actually click on the settings tab here, it will open up the Brave rewards page in a separate tab, and again you can click on the unverified option here and it will tell you what you need to do to go through and get your wallet verified. This basically you need to do if you want to be able to withdraw your funds and turn them into something like Bitcoin or Ethereum or BNB or something like that. Basically make sure that you do go through and get verified so that your wallet is verified. So come to this page, click on continue and go through that process. You will need a photo ID to get verified. Just a quick note, the second step of the verification process is to choose a wallet service. Now the two options are Uphold and Gemini. Personally, I prefer Gemini. I prefer the way that works and what it does, but you can use either. It doesn't matter which. Okay, so once you've got your Gemini account set up and verified with your photo ID, etc., then you can go from Gemini, you can go to your account and scroll down until you find applications, and then on the applications page under Brave browser, click on connect application, click on view instructions and run through the instructions to get your Brave wallet set up. You will need to go through the regular process of adding a password and getting that 12-word recovery phrase, which you need to make a note of and keep safe, because that is how you'll be able to recover your Brave wallet if you ever need to. So again, go through the process step by step and make sure you keep a copy of that 12-word recovery phrase and keep it safe. Once you've done so, you should end up on a page like this that is the wallet page within the settings within the Brave browser, and you can see the details for your wallet and any coins that you hold. And this is where you can then collect your BAT and make sure that your BAT is added to your wallet. Now there are also a couple of other things we can do to maximize our BAT earnings. First of all, if we go back to the settings page and then go down to Brave rewards, on on this page, instead of going with the default number of ads to display, we could up it to 10 per hour so we can increase the rewards that we get every hour. And next, if we click on the Brave Rewards menu option at the top here, this takes us through to another page where you can actually switch off the auto contribute. It's entirely up to you. This is a fair thing where you contribute a small monthly amount to different sites that you visit, and it can be a good thing to do. But if you don't want to do that, you can switch it off simply by toggling here so that that's set to off. Equally, if you do have it switched on, you can increase the amount of the monthly payment if you prefer as well. I'm going to leave mine switched off. Now, the last thing we want to do is come back to a normal Brave browser page without anything in the URL, and down at the bottom there is an option to customize where we can make sure that show background images is toggled on, show sponsored images is toggled on, and the Brave News is also toggled on, so we get the Brave News feed as well, and viewing that and looking at some of the items in there can apparently help increase the BAT that we earn. Okay, so those are the quick settings that I'd recommend that you go through to maximize your BAT earnings on a monthly basis. It's estimated that an average user will get 3 to 4 BAT a month. Tweaking those settings is likely to get you more. How much more really depends on how much time you spend in the Brave browser. So I'd also recommend setting it as your default browser and potentially adding it to other devices that you use as well. The more time you're using Brave, the more rewards you'll get. And remember, the Coin Corner extension will also work on the Brave browser as well. So if you're using that to get rewards, you can still do so with the Brave browser. That's how to use the Brave browser to get some crypto rewards for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to let us know if you have any questions or feedback.